Look, read, and say. Fat, oil, fish, meat, dairy, beans, lentils, fruits, vegetables, grains.
The food pyramid.
Copy the headings in your exercise book. Write the name of foods from activity A in the correct list. Add 2 items of your own to each list. Make word groups. Put each of the following food items in a basket with the suitable heading.